In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change aspect ratio in Canva. We'll walk through this using a very simple example, so you can follow along on your own screen. Go ahead and open your design in Canva, and make sure you're on the page that contains the image you want to adjust. It could be a photo, a graphic, or any element that behaves like an image in your design. First, click directly on the image you want to change. You should see a bounding box appear around it with little handles on the corners and sides. This tells you the image is selected and ready to be edited. If you accidentally click the background or another element, just click once more on the correct image until you see it highlighted. Once the image is selected, look at the toolbar that appears above your design. In this top bar, you'll find a variety of options such as Edit Image, Flip, and more. What you're looking for is the Crop button. Click on the Crop option. When you do this, your image will switch into cropping mode. The edges will change, and you'll be able to see handles that let you trim or expand the visible area of the image. Now that you're in cropping mode, you can move on to adjusting the aspect ratio. On the side or in the crop controls, look for the section labeled aspect ratio. This is where Canva helps you quickly set fixed proportions for your image, rather than you guessing the size by dragging the corners freely. In the aspect ratio section, you can choose from preset options. For example, if you're creating a YouTube thumbnail, you might choose a widescreen ratio. For Instagram, you might go with a square ratio. Selecting one of these options instantly locks the crop box to that proportion, so no matter how you adjust it, it will keep the same width to height relationship. After selecting your preferred aspect ratio, drag the crop box to position it over the part of the image you want to keep. You can click and drag inside the box to reframe the subject and make sure the important parts are visible. When you're happy with the framing, apply the crop to confirm the change. That's all you need to do to change the aspect ratio of an image in Canva. Select the image, click crop on the top toolbar, go to the aspect ratio options, and then choose and adjust the ratio that best fits your design.